Thank you for purchasing the Wellington Riser Recliner. We've put together this short video to help you with its assembly and to make sure you get the very most out of your new CareCo product. Your Riser Recliner should come fully boxed as seen here. Courier delivery is available straight to your doorstep. Carefully cut any tape with a knife or a pair of scissors to open the box. Once opened, first lift out the backrest and set it to one side. Tilt the box on its side, then slide out the seat section. Packaged with your Riser Recliner, you should find an instruction manual. Please keep hold of this as it contains useful information on the assembly and best use of your recliner. On the rear of the seat, you'll find multiple components wrapped together. When cutting the cable tie, take care to avoid cutting the cables of the power adapter and the Riser Recliner remote control. You should also find a set of caster wheels. To begin assembly, start by attaching the caster wheels. Unscrew the locking nut from the top of the caster and feed it through the designated hole on the underside of the chair. Reapply the locking nut and fasten securely with a spanner. Repeat this process on all 4 caster wheels. Remember to place the spring-loaded locking caster wheels onto the rear of the seat. With the caster wheels fitted firmly, gently tilt the seat base down into an upright position. Slide the backrest into the base using the guides on the sides of the backrest. When the base unit's protruding prongs are in the guides on either side of the backrest, push down on the backrest to click this into place. Your Riser Recliner is now fully assembled. Please keep hold of any excess packaging just in case you wish to return the items. When positioning the chair in your living room, make sure you leave enough space behind the chair so that the backrest may lower fully. This will help to avoid any damage to either the chair or to your walls. For more information about the Wellington Riser Recliner or its assembly, simply visit careco.co.uk, pop into one of our showrooms or give us a call. Thanks for watching. Take care.